Garmin Drive 52 route shaping. Yes, I've done a lot of route shaping videos, but it is an important feature. You should know it, so we're gonna do it. I would suggest to have a stylus, like one of these things. It'll make it easier. If you're saying, I don't have a stylus, what am I gonna do? Use a pencil. See? No, you can't really see it, but oh, let me turn on the light here. There we go. See? Pencil. Pencil, stylus, whatever. Use one of those. And if you're saying, I don't have a stylus, nor do I have a pencil, what am I going to do? Well, then you're screwed. Let's continue. So I'm going to pick a location here, and let's use a feature we don't see very often. History. Let's try that one. Let's pick somewhere. How about Frontiers of Flight Museum? What does it tell me? Oh, it shows a photo. Hey, how nice. So what do we got going on here? Apollo 7 Command Module is a highlight of this Aviation and Space Museum, which opened to the public in 1990. Oh, look at that. Oh, they got a phone number and everything. Neat. That's where it is. Let's go there. It's got some distance to it, so it takes a bit to calculate this one.
Turn left, then turn left.
Okay, no. Oh, and yes, by the way, from settings, from navigation, I do have the simulator enabled, just so you are aware. Okay, so we're at the point, excuse me, the route has started, but we want to shape this route. Now we can do this one of two ways. We can either tap the map and hit this button right here, this little plus button, or triple dot, edit route, shape route. Both of them do the same thing. So, alright, we are there. Now, when it comes to shaping a route on this particular model, it's not ultra precise because it will only allow you to zoom in so much. You'll see it gray out when I reach the limit. Yep, there it is. Now it's grayed out. So this is as far as I can zoom in. So as you can see, I can't really get ultra precise, but I can get good enough. And now is where you will see why the stylus is something I recommend to use. So we'll start by going there. And it will recalculate the route. Again, this is a route with some distance, so it will take time to do this each time. I will also say right now that once you start this, there is no undo. So if you mess up, you gotta go back and then start the whole process over again. If this was a shorter distance, it would calculate a whole lot faster, but again, it's got some distance to it, so we have to wait. Okay. Oh, you know what? I'm wrong. You can undo, because I can just tap that little trash can icon. I am totally wrong. Okay, so you can undo. So that's good. All right, so that's the first one, and we'll back up a bit. Okay, we're doing good. All right, I'll stay here. Sorry about that. I totally thought there was no undo for this, but yes, there is. And I just remembered, if you do hit one of those little trash can icons and undo, it will have to recalculate the route again. So I'll do one more after this, and then we'll be good. Yeah, this one takes a bit. Again, for shorter trips, this would be a whole lot faster for a shorter trip. And in addition to that, the 52 is not what we would call the fastest as far as route calculations are concerned. Okay, so there's the next one, and we will do one final one. Yeah, see, this has got, it's like I said, there's some distance to this one. Okay, so we'll go, oh, I don't know, here. And we wait. Now, can you save this as a trip? Yes, you can. I will show that in a moment. Once this is done, if I just hit the go button, then I will start. But if I want to save this trip to recall later, yeah, you can do that. Which I will show in just a moment once it is done. Okay, 52, any day now. There we go. Had to give it some motivation, had to yell at it a little bit. Okay, yep, we're good. Back up and take a look. Okay. Back up some more. Okay, now if I hit go, oh, and this is a nice part about the 52. It actually will say, yeah, it's going to take you an hour to get there, and that's the distance. Anyway, if I hit go, yes, I would immediately start my journey. But if I go back, oh, I'm sorry. Route edit. Oh, I'm glad I did this. Okay. Exit editing mode. No. Okay, so I do have to hit go. Okay, I get it. Oh, I know. Go.
Turn left.
Okay.
Then turn left.
No. Okay, that's where I hit no. Whew. It's been a while since I've used the 52, so I've got to kind of re-familiarize myself with it. Okay, now is here. I'll try that again. Now is the point where I can save my trip if I want to. So, back, apps, trip planner, saved, my active route, and save. This one automatically names it for you, which is nice, but I can hit that and rename it. Done. Okay. And there are all my shaping points. Okay. I can view the map from here. It will show me the shaping points. Back to the map. So that's how to do that. So I'll hit stop, and I will now recall that trip by going to apps, trip planner, saved. There it is. Go. I will select the closest destination, which happens to be the alley where my current position is, because that's the beginning point, that's the destination. Hit OK. I'll show you a quick overview, and off we go.
Arriving at the destination. Turn left. Then turn left.
Okay, turn on the turns. let us
Turn left on North Library Street, then turn right.
disable spoken navigation. Alright. And away we go. And it will go on that exact path that we put into that route. And that is the way it is done. Yes. So Drive 52. Yep. Now, is this the same on the Drive Smart 55 and 65? I think so. I think so. I don't have a 55 anymore, and I've never had a 65. But I believe it is the same between the 52, 55, and the 65. I think. Not exactly sure, but I think that's the case. Because they all have the same UI. So I believe that is the way that it works. But anyway, this is about the 52. So that is how to do a route shape on the Garmin Drive 52.